You are welcome back to my channel. This is Sharp and Laugh TV on YouTube. This is a channel where you learn how to sharpen clipper blades. This is a channel where you learn how to sharpen different type of clipper blades. The new ones, fairly used ones, used condemned clipper blades, step by step to sharpen them successively using the super hard manual sharpening stone surface. How to sharpen trimmers. How to use super hard manual sharpening stone to sharpen the trimmer clipper blade successively. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, this is the first time you are watching the video, or you have been watching the video since you have not subscribed, please let us subscribe now. Under this video you are watching by the right hand side, you will see where there are subscribe. Use your finger to press it. It will now change to subscribe with notification bell. Press that notification bell again to now change to 3 bell option. Press the one at the topmost painted white or black in color, which means you have subscribed to Sharp and Laugh TV. You have pressed the notification button. The moment I come on live to sharpen the clipper blades, to sharpen the stones, to give tutorial on how to sharpen the clipper blade using the sharper, you are going to be the number one to be seeing the notification. Let us subscribe now if you have not subscribed before. Our tutorial for today is how to sharpen rotten used to condemn clipper blades. Used to condemn clipper blades successively, step by step. I'm trying to set my camera so that I can be able to see exactly the way I'm going to work on the blade. You see, this is starless clipper blade used to condemn. You can see the inner surface of the blade. Look at this inner surface here. You see how deep it is. You can see it. You see the inside. You see the line inside in form of steps. You see it in this way. You see it. So I'm going to show you the step by step to use super hard manual sharpening stone to sharpen this type of clipper blade. The clipper blade are being used to condemn. You see the inner surface of the blade. You see the inner surface. This is the upper clipper blade. You see the inner surface. Let's check for the second one. This also is Starex. All these are original Starex clipper blade. So heavy, so hard to sharp. But I'm going to show you the easiest way to sharpen any type of clipper blade used to condemn. You can see the inner surface. Look at this area. You see, let me show you what I'm trying to fashion now. Look at this area. You see here like this. It's totally down. All this inside here is totally down. You can see the shape. You see it? It's totally down. So we have to scrape this environment down where we have to scrape it down to come and meet the level of this inside this small blade here. Inside this tiny blades. So it is a work of sense. It's a logical work, strategical work, which you have to use super hard manual sharpening stone to fashion out the sharpening correctly. Yeah, if you can hear me loud and clear, please let me know. If my voice is clear and loud, yeah, let me know, please. MKY6977. Hi to you too. Please, your country. Which country are you chatting from? Are you watching me from? Yeah, let us go into the work. Let us go into the work. We don't need to delay the job. We need to be fast with the job because of another customers. Yeah. Number one thing, you have to clean the back of the blade very well. You see the way I'm cleaning the blade? You have to clean it. You have to clean the back of the blade in order to attach the masking tape. The masking tape, you have to attach the masking tape at the back. Why are we going to attach the masking tape at the back? To allow the thumb to be able to hold it properly. Under the thumb like this to hold it properly. Because it's too slippery. You see the back is too slippery. So when you put your thumb at the back to move the blade up and down on the stone, it's not easy like this. But when you apply masking tape at the back, it's going to be easy to control. It's going to be easy to control. I will show you the way I'm going to put the masking tape. You see the way I apply it? Don't allow the masking tape to cover the mouth. Don't allow it to cover the mouth of the blade. Don't allow it to cover. You see the way I apply it? That is for the upper clipper blade. So let me do for the bottom clipper blade too. You see it? You shouldn't allow it to cover the mouth. You see the way I place it? This for the first one. Let me do for the second one. You see the way I'm applying the masking tape at the back of the blade? The back is too slippery, so that when I place my thumb at the back to make the movement on the stone, it can be able to control it properly. Anywhere I place my thumb, that is where it's going to stay, and to have full control over the movement of the blade. You see the way I'm pressing the masking tape at the back? Make sure you press it very well. Yeah. So please, if you have not subscribed to Sharp and Laugh TV, this channel you are watching, look under the video, you see subscribe there. You follow the step by step to subscribe. And remember to press the notification button. You see the way I apply the masking tape at the back of the blade. Look at the mouth here. You see that the masking tape doesn't cover the mouth. You see it in this way? That is the way to apply the masking tape. You see the inner surface of the blade used to condemn. You see it. You see the way I apply it. It doesn't cover the mouth. You see the inner surface of the blade. You can see the upper and the bottom clipper blade inner surfaces. You see it in this way. So what you can use your sharper electric clipper blade machine to sharp perfectly, logically, technically, strategically, okay. You can still use your super hard manual sharpening stone to do better. I'm telling you sincerely. You can use your super hard manual sharpening stone to sharpen any type of clipper blade. People complain that the trimmer is difficult to sharp. I've been sharpening trimmer many times. Trimmer clipper blade, I've been sharpening it. So by the grace of God today, before the night, we are going to sharpen this trimmer. This trimmer clipper blade, we are going to sharpen it. I still have another trimmer clipper blade here, which I'm going to show you. This is another trimmer clipper blade. Let me get it closer to the screen. You can see how tiny it is. You see it? So I'm going to show you the step by step to sharpen the trimmer. You see it in this way? To sharpen the trimmer clipper blade successfully. Tested, confirm. When you sharpen it finish, you mount it on the engine. It's going to be working like a new clipper blade. Yeah. So I'm going to be showing you the step by step. Number one thing you have to do for me, if you have not done before, if you have not subscribed before, subscribe and remember to press the notification button so that you can get access to watch my videos, my previous videos. Membership videos have been released to public. You get access to watch them. You get access to watch the new videos, the new live. They are coming live. You get access to watch them. Let me place this blade here. Let me see whether the camera can pick it for me. Yeah, the camera can pick it. So let us start with the sharpening. The kerosene is getting finished. Let me refill the can so that it will not delay the job. Let me refill the can. Let me refill the can so that when we start, we don't need to refill the kerosene can again. Let's put plenty kerosene inside. Yeah. So make sure you put new kerosene, neat one. Then the reason why I'm putting the packing at the bar at the neck of the container is to tie it so that it will not be leaking out unnecessarily. It will not be leaking out, wasting unnecessarily. You see the way you look at the neck. See the way I put the packing there. Now, this is a core surface. I'm coming back to this one later. Let us come with the smooth. This one is smooth surface. This one is the smooth surface stone. This, all the surfaces are different, which I'm going to be showing you one after the other. I'll be using them to sharpen the clipper blade. You'll be seeing the differences when I'm using them, how powerful the surface is. All these surfaces are not the same. This one is smooth. This one is squash. This one is normal. This one is normal. So I have them different types. So let us clean the surface first before we start the sharpening. This part of the work, you need to clean the surface of your stone. You need to clean the carbon part, the carbon solution, the carbon on the surface of the stone particles, iron particles, the dirties on the surface of the stone. We need to clean it very well so that we make the surface very neat. Very neat. You can see the way I've cleaned it. After I now apply, then before we go into the oil, let me apply the oil first. I have material stones here, which I'm going to be using to support this super hard mana sharpening stone. To support it, I have some material stone to make sure you keep this one lively. Number one, to make sure you keep the surface effective. That is number two. To make sure you keep this surface everlasting. You're not sharpening the surface again. That is the way I use my own stone here. The first time I buy the stone new, I sharpen it. After that one, I don't sharpen it again till the end of the life. I'll be showing you the step by step I'm using, or I'm taking the step by step I'm following to use my own super hard mana sharpening stone to sharpen the clipper blade successfully. Any type, I'm saying, any type of clipper blade, bigger blades, smaller blades, trimmers, etc., for human beings, for animals. You see the way I apply the oil on the surface? So I use my finger to spread it. At the same time, you can use your stone to spread it. This one is special stone. This one is a material stone to be used on this one. So this one, I'm not placing it to place the blade on it. No, I'm using this one as a material stone on this one to help this surface. Look at the way I'm going to use it. Then look at the area I'm using. You can see the sign there. You can see the sign. You pick a point you'll be using. You see, I'm not using here. 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 I'm only using this side always to comply with the surface of the stone. Watch carefully. You see the way, let me remove my finger. You see like this, the way I'm using it. You see like this. You go anti-clockwise, you circle clockwise again to cover the whole surface of the stone. See the area I've used. Let me return it back again. Then I'll come with another stone again. This one is a material stone again. The first one is special stone. This one is catalyst. You see the area I'm using there too. You see it, you see it, you see it. You pick a point. You pick a point. You'll be only using this one. It will be going gradually to reduce to something like this. From this one to reduce to something like this. You continue use it until you chop all finish. You see like that? You now apply the oil. Let us apply the oil before we use the catalyst. You see like this? You see the way I'm using it? So I'm using this one to balance the surface, to make sure the surface is balanced very well. You see like this? You see the area I'm using? Let me return it. Then I'll come back with another one again. This one is biscuit bone. Biscuit bone. You see it? It's a big stone reduced to this, to the smaller size. You see the way I'm using it? You see the surface? Now, let us start with sharpening from the upper clipper blade. Then you now apply your kerosene on the surface. I use my finger to spread it to cover the whole surface of the stone. You see? To cover the whole surface of the stone. Let us start from the upper clipper blade. Let me show you the upper clipper blade in that surface. You can see it. You see like this? You see it? You see how the surface is? It has been used to condemn. This area is totally down. This front is totally down. This black area is totally down. Only this area is high, up. So you have to scrape here, scrape the back here to come to the level of this front before this clipper blade can work fine. Let us go now. Let us be faster with the job. That is to and fro 100 times. Let me check the inside, which I will take closer to the screen and show you now. Yeah, this side is sapping correctly now. I will come closer to the screen and show you. Watch carefully now. Look at this area. From here, reach here like this, is sharpening correctly. You can see it. So the stone has not touched this environment. The stone has not touched here. You know, I always sharpen this side. Light pressure, slow movement, counting of to and fro 100 times. For this side, I divide the blade. I divide the blade into two. I sharpen this side. Oh, let me watch it. Oh, I sharpen this side. That is light pressure. The way I press it lightly, to and fro counting 100 times. Treatment of the stone. You see like that? So I want to repeat what I've done for here. I want to repeat for the other side. So that, very sorry, it was network problem, network failure. Very sorry, it was network problem, network failure. I've received the network back again. It was network problem. It was network problem. So I'm going to repeat what I've done for this side. Repeat it for here now. Let's go. So let me clean the surface. The surface is dirty. The surface is dirty. You can see the carbon. Let me remove the carbon. Yeah. Then let me apply the oil. Let me use the special stone on it. I'll show you the way I'm using the special stone. I'm using this one to balance the surface. Area that is up, area that is down, to balance it up, to make the surface flat. You can see it. You see it. Then I'll come with a catalyst again. This is a catalyst. You see like this. You see it. Then I'll come with a biscuit bone. You see it. Now apply the kerosene. I spread it to cover the whole surface of the stone. Yeah, let me sharpen for the second side. I've sharpened for this side. I want to sharpen for here. Yeah, I've repeated exactly the process I've taken for the first side. I've repeated the same process to the other side. Let us now check the inside. Let me check carefully before I come closer to the screen. Yeah, it remains only here. These two blades here, this corner. Let me come closer to the screen. So the whole surface is sharpened correctly, but when we look at the edge, remain this edge, this area covered. Then how are we going to do with this edge? So we have to resharpen the whole surface again, so that the level, this area I covered, is lower than the remaining part. This area I covered, this little area are covered, is lower in level than the remaining surface. So I have to reduce the remaining surface again to come and make the level of this small area. Let me come again. We have to reduce the level of this area I'm working through, like this, to come and make the level of this small area before this clipper can work correctly. Though it's like this for learners, when you mount it on the clipper engine, when you run it, it's going to work. But a professional, we have to clear this small fault. We have to clear it. This small fault, we have to clear it. So let me retrieve the surface of the stone, and we go back for the sharpening. This is the area I want to sharpen. Yes, let me see. Ẹ bọ́ bàtà kẹ́mọ̀ bọ́m̀bí. Ẹ jókòó mọ́ ṣe nìkan lọ.
Master, sábà ti wá òkè ìfarapa tó.
Ẹ lò bí. Now let us watch the inside now. You can see this one has been sharpened correctly. It has been sharpened correctly. Let us do the upper clipper blade for the second one now. Let's make the work faster because another customer is still around. We have to make it fast so that we attend to the first customer. They only allow me to be using it for tutorial. They only allow me to be using the blades for tutorial. The customers that hold the blade are here. So we do fast with it. Yeah. So I want to sharpen the upper clipper blade for the second one. Let me show you before I start. You can see it. You see the inner surface. Please, if you have not subscribed to the Sharp and Live TV before, please subscribe now. And don't forget to press the notification button. Please subscribe now. Look under the video. Yeah, let me check the first side of sharpening. Yeah, this one is correct. So I'm going to clean the surface now because of the carbon. The carbon is there. Let me remove the carbon so that I prepare the surface to sharpen the second side to make the work faster. So to prove that what sharper can do, stone can still do better. Yeah, if you know how to use super hard manual sharpening stone very well, you can still use it like say you are using electric clipper blade machine to sharp. Yeah, I'm telling you sincerely. You see the way I'm activating the surface of my stone? This is what you call activating the surface of the stone to make it powerful, to make it stronger, to make the surface very, very effective for easy chopping of the clipper blade inner surface. Now I want to apply the kerosene. I will spread it to cover the whole surface. You see the way I spread it? So I've divided the blade into two. I've sharpened this side now, 200 and 400 times, light pressure, slow movement. Let us repeat it for the second side. Yeah, let me clean it. I want to check very well. So this one too is sharpened correctly. Let me come closer to the screen. You can see it. Let me see whether the lights can be put on. Yeah, let's watch carefully now. You can see the inner surface of the blade. So this one too is sharpened correctly. Look at the surface. So we are looking for two things: flatness of the surface and the total shining across. We have gotten the two. You see it? So this one too is sharpened correctly. Now I want to sharpen for the bottom clipper blades. Bottom clipper blades. I want to change the stone surface now. This one is smooth surface. I want to change it to quash to make the work a little bit faster. A little bit faster. This one is quash surface. Quash. I don't want to use smooth for the bottom clipper blades. These are the bottom clipper blades. This one. I don't want to use smooth surface. I want to use quash so that I will not delay the job at all. And to show you the techniques. See this stone now, I'm not going to use this special stone on it. For this squash and the normal, we don't use this one. I will only use this one, catalyst and the biscuit bowl for it. I'll show you now. I'll show you. You see, this is catalyst. Watch carefully, see the way I'm using it. You see the way I'm using it to balance the surface, to make the surface very flattened and effective. Yeah, to prepare the surface to sharpen or to give you the best of the sharpening. You see it, you see the inner surface of this one. Then after you now reapply the oil again, I come with the biscuit bone. You see it, you still use this one to scrub the surface. You see the way I'm doing it. You are preparing the surface for sharpening, easy sharpening, correct sharpening, best sharpening that will not give you too much stretch. You see the way I'm spreading the kerosene over it. You see the way? Now I will show you the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade before I start. You can see the inner surface as it is. This one is overused. Overused. You can see it. Let's go for the sharpening now. Let's clean the surface and see the sharpening we have put on the surface. You see this blade now? This blade is overused. Let me show you where the stone has just touched. Watch carefully now. The stone touches here, only here like this. This environment, reach here. So we still have a long way to go. We have to be faster with the job. The way they use clipper blade in my environment here, they use it to reckless. They use clipper blade to condemn before they sharpen it. If you are not a real expert in sharpening the clipper blade with stone, you can't sharpen clipper blade for them at all. I'm telling you sincerely. They use it to condemn before they sharpen it back again. They will use it to condemn. They use it for many months before they resharpen. The clipper blades are supposed to resharpen under a week. They overuse it before they resharpen it back. To use super hard manner sharpening stone to sharpen the blade is technical. Very, very technical. Now let me come closer to the screen now to show you how the work is going. Watch carefully, look at this environment. This area I'm touching, walking through, remains only here. Only this environment. You see the other space now, I've sharpened all this area correctly. You see this black area, this is the remaining black area. Though if you mount it on the engine, it's going to work. It's going to work. But I have to clear this black area to make all the whole surface shiny. That's what they call it professional. Let me do it very, very fast. Let me do it very fast so that we will not delay the job. We will not delay ourselves down. Please help me share the video out, please, in the name of God. Help me to share the video out. Help me share the video out so that many barbers, proprietors, barber engineers, stylists, people sharpening the clipper blade can be able to get the advantage of watching the video all over the world. You know, this type of tutorial is for the whole world. This type of tutorial is for the whole world. All the countries are watching my videos. You see now, the chemicals at the back, you have to clean it. If not, it's going to spoil that masking tape. It's going to spoil it. Then try to apply little kerosene. You can use your mouth to blow it. You see the way I blow it? Yeah, let us check the inside now. Let us clean very well and check. Let us clean very well and check. Yeah. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step how you can sharpen any type of clipper blade using the stone. Watch carefully now. I've put it back to new one again. You see the inside? It's totally different from the way I showed you just now. You can see it. So this clipper blade is sharpened correctly now. It's going to be working like a new clipper blade, or even better than the new clipper blade. Yes, this one is okay now. If you want to confirm it now, you put the hopper, you see it, you put it on top of each other, then you test. My followers, my subscribers, my viewers, I need sticker today. Oh, it has been a long time you send stickers to me. Please look under this video. You will see the stickers. Please, I need stickers. I need stickers, please. I need stickers. Send sticker to me. Send super thanks, please. I need super thanks today. So I'm trying to test it. So when you see the carbon inside of the blade for the upper and the bottom clipper blade, which means the clipper blade is sharpened correctly. Please help me to share the video out. Let many people enjoy watching the video, learn how to sharpen the clipper blade successively, step by step, professionally, logically, technically, strategically. Okay. Yeah, let me open it. You see the carbon? You see the carbon? So this one is sharpened correctly. It's going to be working like a new clipper blade. That's how to test. That is how I'm trying to remove the masking tape from the back. I'm trying to remove the masking tape from the back. So I've sharpened this one correctly now. This one is okay. No ní èsì bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ti prepare lé ìkalẹ̀ ẹ̀kàn fẹ́ dán tí mò ń ṣe rú ni mo ti ṣẹ́ẹ̀tì kalẹ̀ mo ti ṣẹ́ẹ̀tì lé ìkalẹ̀ ẹ̀ pé tí ì ṣẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹni ọ̀tọ̀ ẹ̀ tí mò ń sọ jẹ́ kó yé yín mo ti ṣẹ́ẹ̀tì kalẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ káwọn èèyàn ń wò mí báyìí millions of people are watching àwọn èèyàn ń wo iṣẹ́ tí mò ń ṣe tí n bá wá tíjì lè tí máa fi mi sínsìn yóò dàbí ẹni pé n tí ń sọ òye yín you have to understand me nísìnyí mo ti fi àwọn èèyàn ń wo kíní yìí people are watching the video throughout the world if I now change this blade má kàn parẹ́ sí iṣẹ́ dàbí ẹni pé ìdí ṣe léyìí ó le n tí mò ń sọ yẹ pé ká pé kí n tó tan kámẹ́rà lẹ ti sọ ni n change ẹ̀ síra wọn then mo ti start kẹ́ tó I want to start sharpening the second one it won't waste time kò lè pẹ́ rárá look at it now then kí mo lè ṣe nǹkan tó bẹ́yìn ṣe mú yẹn pé nǹkan sí wíìlì no bẹ́ẹ̀ rí bí mo ṣe ń ṣe. Yeah, let me show you the first side I've sharpened. Watch carefully now. So this side has been sharpened correctly to the center here. You see it remains here like this, remain this area. So we have to keep it in mind, to and fro 60 times, light pressure, correct activating of the stone surface. Then you say, blade in B. I don't know. Ẹ̀mí yẹn fẹ́ pin. Bá a sì rí táìwé ẹ̀ máa bínú ní gbogbo yín. So I want to complete the sharpening for the second side. Let me check my stone. Yeah. Let me complete the sharpening. I've sharpened this side to and fro 60 times. Yeah, let me watch carefully. Let me get closer to the screen and show you. Let's watch carefully now. Let us watch the inside. Look at the inner surface of the blade now. So this one too is sharpening correctly. Look at the surface. Flatness and the total shining across as shown. You can see it. So that is how to sharpen the starless clipper blade very fast. So let me test this now. Let me test the hopper and the bottom clipper blade now. You see the hopper? Ṣé ká pé mi tí mo record ni? Àwọn èèyàn ń wo bó ṣe wà yín sí, millions of people are watching it. Tí n bá wá yọ yẹn kúrò ń bẹ̀, tí n bá fi mí sí, yóò dàbí ẹni pé yẹn lè pọ́n yẹn. Ó jẹ́ yọ kúrò ń bẹ̀. Ṣẹ́gẹ́ tí ń sìn pé yẹn lágbára kò ṣe pọ́n. Nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ká pé mi tí set kámẹ́rà la fi sọ ni, yín yọ síra wọn. Mo lè ṣe mẹ́ta gan papọ̀. Kí n ṣe mẹ́ta gan papọ̀ ló pè mí. Ẹgbẹ́ tí mo sọ yẹn sí. Ó dàbí kí yẹn fi nǹkan hàn yẹn pé mo fẹ́ sí kíní yìí o sì kíní ẹ wá fẹ́ sì kejì wá pààrọ̀ rẹ̀ yóò fi hàn pé ẹni pé òkúta tó ń lò kò lè pọ́n irú yẹn ẹgẹ́ ti bẹ́yẹn sí tó fà nìyẹn. So I'm trying to test the clipper blade. I'm trying to test it before you mount it, before I fix it on the engine. So we need to test it with free hand. So when you test it, you see the carbon inside, which means the clipper blade sharpening correctly. I need stickers today, please. I need stickers from my viewers, my subscribers. Send sticker to me, please. Look under this video. Under this video, watch, you will see where they write like dislike. Follow that line. We see where they write THNKS, super thanks. Press it. When you press it now to take you to the next level, you follow it. You send sticker to me. At the same time, you will see super chat there under. So when you press it, you follow it, which means you have sent sticker to me. Yeah, I've been expecting stickers from you, my subscribers, my viewers. It has been a long time you sent stickers to me. Yeah, do that for me today, please. Do that for me. Yeah, do that for me. Send stickers to me, please. So let us watch now. You see the carbon again? You see the carbon, which means this clipper blade is sharpening correctly. You see the carbon inside here. You see the black carbon that cover the inside. All the inside is carbon, which means it's sharpening correctly. That's how to test it. Not until you mount it on the engine. So this one, I want to block it like this. Yeah, so that you not mix together. So I've come with another one again. This is another set of blade again. You can see it. So I want to sharpen this one again. This one is W Wima clipper blade. Let us join it together. Let's join it together. Number one thing is to clean the blade very well. Is to clean the back very well. It might be no. I am working way. And I'm in Bulu way. And you do it can walk. Can we? Ibo let you can you? Ibo let you win. Okay. You say, Mokaman send us a local candy. A cockany. Babe, I'm way I can complete in day. And we wouldn't complete now. Woman put me among 50 video. Me. I think at one shillo, you show it, Mamma. Boy, indeed. Video could be like move. I want to attach the masking tape. Ma kó bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń lo blade bí ẹ máa jó àwọn òyìnbó lójú ni bí mo ṣe ń ra blade yìí pọ́n ẹ̀ ń lo blade bí o ẹ máa pa pátápátá ni yóò kú ẹ̀ tó fi gé ha àwọn yóò tó fi pépálí sí fi ìgbálẹ̀ sí fi jíǹsì sí fi àǹkárá sí bí mo ṣe máa rí pọ́n gan yà mí lẹ́nu o àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi kọ̀ọ̀kan tó wà ń lọ ní tí mo mọ̀ òru blade báyìí wọ́n pọ́n wọn ò ní pọ́n ẹ bá kó bíi mẹ́jọ lọ́dọ̀ wọn ó lè jẹ́ pé méjì wọn bá yín pọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́ ń bá sì pọ́n náà wọn kò ní tẹ̀sí ẹ̀ fún yín gẹ́gẹ́ bá gbé dé ṣọ́ọ̀bù lẹ́mọ̀ ń tẹ̀ wọ́n gẹ́gẹ́ bá lọ pọ́n mẹ́wàá tí mẹ́ta ṣiṣẹ́ bí fọwọ́kìnrin wọn wà lọ́dọ̀ níbí. You see the way I attach the masking tape at the back. Watch carefully. Look at the mouth. You shouldn't allow to cover the mouth. You see again. You see the way I leave it. Yeah. Bàbá parí sì máa fi etí àyàn tó wò hàn yìí ẹ máa rí ìyẹn tí blade mi ò bá wá o tí blade mi ò bá wá jọ yẹn papọ̀ ni. So I'm going to sharpen the bottom clipper blade first. I'm going to sharpen the bottom clipper blade first. I don't want to return this one and bring it back again. You know I use this surface for bottom clipper blade. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to sharpen the bottom clipper blade first. Lẹ́yìn sí máa ń wó kékeré ọkàn lọ́sẹ̀ yẹn lédè yẹn bá bíléèdì yẹn jẹ́ bí mo ṣe máa rí pọ́n gan yà mí lẹ́nu. Look at this blade 700 lówó yẹn o. You see the inner surface of the blade? You see it? Ẹ ti gbọ́ bọ̀dá o 1000 lẹ́kìn gba gbogbo bíléèdì ọ̀la. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá dúró tí ẹ̀ bá ń ṣe ẹ máa ń ṣàlàyé ẹ mọ̀ jàyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn jẹ oúnjẹ 1000 yóò tán lórí ẹ̀ ni kì í ṣe rọ́ o lẹ́ inú rírun. Yeah, let me show you now. You see this side, I've sharpened this side now. Remains this side. To and fro 70 times. So any number you count for one side, you still repeat the same number of counting for the other side. so that the level will be the same. If the cutting is different, the level of the surface is going to be different. One side is going to become lower, while the other side is going to become higher, and it shouldn't be like that. Only one side of the blade will be working. And very soon now, we are going to start on how to correct errors on the blade. Errors. That is why you need to subscribe. How to correct sharpening errors. When you sharpen your clipper blade, I will show you now. Some people sharpen clipper blade. After the sharpening, they test it. One side of the blade will be working fine. The other side will not work at all. Or either this side is working, this side is not working. You see like that? So I'm going to be showing you how to correct the errors. And where the error comes from, I'll be showing you. Bí mo ṣe ń rí blade yẹn pọ́n. Ọlọ́run bá nìkan ni o. Ìlò dojú tí yẹn gbogbo yẹn lo blade. Téyìn ó rí blade tí ó tilẹ̀kùn tí ó lóun ní stone. Yeah, just one time. Let me show you now to show that the way you can use your sharper to sharpen the clipper blade, any type of clipper blade successfully, you can still use your super hard manner sharpener to sharpen the clipper blade successfully. Look at the inner surface of this blade now. Look at the inner surface. I've turned it to new one. I've turned this clipper blade to new one. Look at it very well. I've turned the sharpening and the side, you see it, I've turned it to new one. You see? So this one is sharpening correctly. Let me place it here. I want to sharpen the bottom clipper blade, upper clipper blade now. So I want to change the stone surface. I don't want to use this stone. Let me use smooth for that one. This one is smooth. So I'm going to use this smooth to sharpen the upper clipper blade. Don't forget, when I'm using the smooth, I'm going to use the special stone. We use special stone for smooth. But for the coarse, for normal, no, we don't use it. So you need to understand it very well. Mark it. So we have to start with the special stone. This one is special stone. You see? This one is catalyst. All these stones I'm showing you are different. They are different makers. Different in texture. Different in quality. You can see it now. They now come with oil again. See the way I apply the oil. They now come with biscuit bone. This one is biscuit bone. It was a big stone like this before. It was big like this before. You see the way I'm using it? You see it? Now, I apply the kerosene. I use my finger to spread it. You see the way I spread it? You don't need to pack. You spread. You see it like that? Now I want to sharpen the upper clipper blade. This is the upper clipper blade. You can see it. You see the upper? Then let me explain something for you about this blade. Let me clean it again. You see this type of blade. If you don't know how to sharpen clipper blade very well, you may get this bottom one right. But if you don't get this upper clipper blade right, it's not going to work fine. And the reason is that if you want to place your thumb, let me show you very well. You divide the blade into two like this. You divide it into four. Let me look for another pointer again. I did not see another pointer. You divide into two like this equally. Then you divide into four again like this. You place your thumb by the center here. Watch carefully. Look at it. Then when you want to sharpen here, you see like this. That's how you place your thumb. Then you shouldn't place your thumb, press this edge too much. You shouldn't press here too much. When you press this side too much, the side is not going to work. The two sides is not going to, only the center is going to work. Now I will show you now. Oh, I made a mistake. You see the way I place my thumb? very sorry for that. So I went to and fro 100 times. 100 times. Light pressure. Slow movement. Now let us check the first inside. Yeah, let us check. Let's check now. Look at this side. See, this side is sharpening correctly. So I want to repeat what I've done for here, for this side, so that the level of these two areas is going to be the same. For now, this one is down, this one is up, because I've sharpened this side 200 times. So I have to repeat 200 times here to make the surface balance the same way, to make the level be the same. Let's clean this carbon. The carbon is too much. When the carbon is too much on the surface, you use it, the clipper blade will not sharpen correctly. To not sharpen correctly, because that carbon will not allow your work to be very, very smooth. So you look for neat rag to remove, thick one, to remove all this carbon, stone particles, iron particles, the dirt is on the surface of the stone. Gbogbo ní ìgbà yẹn pọ́ 700 yìí, mo fọlọ́ máa ń sẹ̀gbẹ́ bá gbé àgbà mi nígbà. Ẹ̀ ń lo bíléèdì ní. Bí èèyàn wo gbogbo yẹn máa bínú ni. Ẹ̀ ń lo bíléèdì o. Wàhálà ẹ̀ gangan dẹ̀kọ́ níṣẹ́. Bí èèyàn bá pọn tí ò mú sẹ́mi pé ó búyàn gan kù. Lọ́n kọ́ sànú èèyàn ni. The way my customers use clipper blade here, if you are not a real professional, you can't use stone to sharpen clipper blade for them. You cannot use it, I'm telling you sincerely, you cannot use it. So let's do the same thing. You keep your counting. That is 62. I've counted 62 now. I'm going to 100. So if any stoppage come along the line, you should know where you can't it reach, so that you don't do mistake. I've counted 62. Yeah, let us check now. Let us check. Let's check the inside of the blade, whether it's sharpening correctly. Look at the surface now. Look at the surface. This is what we call the surface, here and here. You see, it's very flattening. Flat network problem. So let me test it now. Ó ti já wọn kò sí márùn. Àwọn tó ń wò pọ̀ gan tẹ́lẹ̀, bí network ti já yẹn, ó ti rí ogún ọ̀dànù. Èèyàn márùn ló wà ń bẹ báyìí. Wọ́n tó máa join padà. Wọ́n tó ń já ó ti di mẹ́jọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa lo blade máa ń pè mí pé how you people use blade like this? Lórí tá à ń lo blade báyìí pé ìgbà tó máa ń pè wá gan. Ẹ̀rọ wọn máa ń pè wá. Ní ìsàwádà, ó ti di 83, wọ́n ti tó ń wò padà. Obìnrin kan kọjá, mo lè ń bẹ́sì. Ẹ láìkẹ́, ń sọ fún ìyàwó yín ni. Ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ sọ fún ìyàwó yín ni. Àbí ẹ máa ń ṣáàjì níbí. Ìyẹn dáadáa ni ìyàwó bí mo rí ń jọ tí mo wá síbẹ̀. So I'm testing the clipper blade. When you see the carbon inside, which means the clipper blade is sharpening correctly, and it's going to be working like new clipper blade, or even better than the new clipper blade after the running. You treat it, then you mount it on the engine. You apply the oil. You test it. It's going to be working like a new clipper. If the carbon covers the whole mouth, I say I need sticker from my followers. I need sticker, please. Look under this video. You will see where the right thanks, like, dislike, remix, save. Look that line. You will see THANKS, super thanks. When you press it, it will take you to the next level. Yeah, you send sticker to me, please. I need sticker. you will still see super chat under my video. Press it, follow it up. Yeah, follow it up. So I'm trying to test it very well so that I want you to see the carbon very well, to be clear and clean. Let us open it now. When you see the carbon inside, you see the carbon now. You see the carbon I'm saying. You see the carbon. So you see it fill the whole mark. This means this clipper blade is going to be working like a new clipper blade. Yeah, please, if you have not subscribed to Sharp and Live TV, subscribe now. Subscribe, please subscribe for you to see more of my videos. And anytime I come on live, you can be able to see my video on live. Yeah, if you don't subscribe, luckily you may see it, luckily you may not see my video. But when you subscribe to the channel, you press the notification button. Anytime I post video, and for now I don't post video for sharpening. I only come on live to sharpen clipper blade to show the whole world that what sharper can do, you can still use your super hard manner sharpening stone to do better. Yeah, you can use this stone to sharpen any type of clipper blade. For human beings, for animals, yeah, bigger blade, small blade, all these trimmer clipper blade, you can use your stone to sharpen them. Yeah, in the next tutorial now, by the grace of God, I'm going to sharpen trimmer. You are going to see the way I'm going to sharpen trimmer step by step. Yeah, by the grace of God. Try to subscribe to my channel and press the notification button. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for staying with me since. Please, whenever I come online, please stay with me from the beginning to the end so that you can see the way I'm doing it step by step. Thank you for watching. Be expecting another video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Thank you.